Welcome back to another style video. This is a zebra dress that I am having a hard time finding the zipper. The good thing about dresses that fit a little bit more loosely is they're actually easier to zip up on yourself. I actually got my hair stuck in this one. Whoops. Anyways, so this is a really nice, comfy dress by Hell Bunny. It has little zebras and little, I don't know, palm trees, looks like, on it. So I haven't done like a pinup style video in a while, so we're gonna go back, take it back to the old school and do some more of a vintage look. These are just some cute little retro earrings. I like this kind of resin. It almost looks like shampoo. It always just reminds me of that shampoo that we all had in the 90s that looked really kind of metallic, I guess. But these earrings are very comfy. They're very light. I like big earrings, but I don't like when they're super heavy because I don't want my earlobes to be on the floor when I'm 50. So these shoes are, I think these are Miss Elfire. Everything that I'm wearing I will credit in the description below so you can see everything that I'm wearing. These also are very comfy. They're a little bit narrow, but I like that they're nude. I don't own a lot of nude shoes, and I feel like nude shoes make your legs look longer. I'm 5'5", so I'm not exactly short, but anything I can do to make my legs look longer is always good. It is hard to strap shoes without something to lean on. Let me tell you, my equilibrium is a little off. Also, I think this strap is in upside down, so it kind of sits funny, but shh, we won't tell anybody. Also, sorry if you hear a dog barking in the background. My neighbor's dog is going crazy today, and look, my husband also thinks he's real funny. He loves to balm when I'm filming. These bracelets are by Splendette. I know you just saw them in the last frame, but I edited this out of order, so there you go. Movie magic secrets revealed. I love these bangles. These are the maiden bangles because my hands are pretty small, so I get the smaller bangles. They are not as painful as they look to put on, I promise, but they are very loud when you're walking down the street, jingle jangling. And then, what is a pinup summertime look without a hair flower? This hair flower gets probably more miles than any other flower that I have. So here's my finished look. Nice, easy, breezy, light, cool summer day pinup look. And that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you want to see more style videos and if you prefer my more dark style or if you're still liking the pinup style. Let me know. See you guys on the next one.